Welcome to the setup and user guide for the Smart Presence sensor. In this video, we'll guide you from unboxing to setup and cover the basic features of the device. Package content. First, let's take a look at the package contents. Presence sensor thread, battery CR123A, hook and loop fastener, battery compartment opener, user manual, and then we'll start the device setup process. Open the bracket and install the battery, using the included battery compartment opener if needed. Device pairing. For best performance and more feature support, set up the device in the Meross app first. After powering on, press the button once to start adding the device. If pairing fails, manually add the device using its model number, MS605. Before installation, please check these key notes. Aim the sensor toward main activity areas and avoid interference. Here are some common examples. After confirming the installation position, attach the sensor following the instructions. Select the detection range that best fits your monitoring area. Now we're in the auto adjust stage. Leave the detection area after following the precautions, tap ready, wait 15 seconds, and auto calibration will start. Please wait patiently for calibration to finish. Congratulations, you've completed the basic setup. You can now connect the device to a third-party platform or do it later from the settings page. When the indicator flashes orange, the device is in pairing mode. If not, hold the button 5 seconds until it flashes, then connect to a third-party platform. Device setup. If the device needs to reconnect to the Meross app via Bluetooth during use, it will automatically trigger a Bluetooth scan and reconnect to the app when it detects an absence presence state change. Please note that the level of Matter support varies across platforms, so the available features may differ accordingly. You can refer to this chart for details. The sensor supports 3 modes. PIR plus radar saves power, while radar only is ideal for stable environments with minimal interference. Radar plus PIR is recommended for most scenarios, offering accurate and reliable detection. Here you can see the sensor's real-time detection to adjust its range. If there's interference, like a fan, you can block that area in the app. Once it turns gray, the sensor will ignore any motion there. For example, blocking the 0.8 to 1.6 meter range prevents the fan from triggering it. You can also estimate the distance of interference using the sensitivity data. You can select a preset sensitivity or run auto adjust again. The learn threshold appears as the blue line below and can be long pressed to fine-tune based on actual use. The sensor supports trigger and maintain sensitivity, with real-time data displayed. Adjust for different scenarios to improve accuracy. Trigger threshold exceeding the line indicates presence, with higher values making detection harder. Maintain threshold staying below the line indicates absence, with higher values making switching to absence easier. You can view more detailed information here. This feature allows the device to be divided into multiple independent sensors. You can set each sensor's detection zone and presence/absence duration separately in the Meross app. Once configured, They can be used on third-party platforms for more flexible smart automation control. Using Identify Device, you can locate the device as its amber light flashes. Enabling Do Not Disturb mode stops the indicator light from flashing at night while keeping all functions active. Logs display data for each sensor individually and allow precise threshold adjustments for single or multiple entries. If false presence is detected, you can automatically or manually adjust the triggered threshold here to make it harder to enter the presence state, reducing false alarms. Select one or more false presence records and tap Eliminate Interference. The app will auto-adjust threshold. For manual adjustment, tap to expand or collapse the detection logs, then drag the blue line to set the sensitivity. Frequently asked questions.